Hi guys, another tutorial here requested by a friend of mine. In this tutorial we'll be covering printing and layouts on sheets. I can rest assured you almost 100% it's a lot easier than AutoCAD, but maybe that's just because I have a grief against AutoCAD. Uh, what I did here was a very basic, ugly building. You can see here I've got a roof on it. I've got doors, I've got walls, and I've got a couple section cuts and a couple 3D views. As of right now, you'll see that I have no sheets here. So all my sheets will be created from scratch so that you guys can see it, follow along with me. I try to make my tutorials slow going so that people can, follow my clicker and see what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, as opposed to just jumping around like I see most tutorials doing nowadays on YouTube. So I hope you can appreciate that. Let's go ahead and get started by creating a new sheet. If you go to View up here, you can go to Sheets over here on the right, create a page for a document set. Let's say, what kind of size paper do I want? Well, let's see what I have here. Go ahead and click Load. Scroll to the bottom, go to title blocks, and then here you'll see all the different title blocks that you have. Just default Revit ones, unless your company or firm has already created some. I'm going to do 34 by 44 E horizontal. Go ahead and select Open. You'll see it right there. E34 by 44 horizontal. Hit OK. This is your sheet now. You'll see that Autodesk Revit has this all blocked out for you. I'm not a big fan of that, so I'll just click it, hit Edit Family, and then just delete all this stuff. Oh, don't change the paper size. Okay, once that is done, go ahead and hit Load into Project, overwrite the existing version, and there you go. Now you have your sheet. Now what you can do to add floor plans, all you have to do is click the floor plan, the level that you'd like, click, and then drag. Bada bing, bada boom, there it is. Same thing for level 2. Click and drag. Pretty simple stuff. To change these, the scale of these, you can click the floor plan and hit Activate View up here, and change it down here, the scale. Let's say I want, what are we at? We're at 1/8 right now. Let's say I want 1/16. You'll see that it's quite a bit smaller. Go ahead and deactivate the view. Go right click, deactivate view, and then you can reposition it as necessary. Go ahead and move this over. Activate the view again for this one. Change the scale, 1/16, and then deactivate the view. Now this thing here is really tricky. It took me a bit to figure this out, but like, you know how I changed the measurement on the other one? This one it's not letting me. That's because you have to click the view before you can change the measurement. So just keep that in mind. It's one of those quirky things that if you don't know why it's doing it, it frustrates you to no end. Yeah, it's basically what happens. Okay, so continue on with 3D views. If you want to just click and drag, you can do that. Click and drag your other 3D views. Same thing with the elevations. It's pretty easy. Just click and drag. If you don't like changing the scale of your drawing in the sheet, that's easy. Just click the drawing before it's in the sheet or after it's in the sheet. Click it from the project browser and then change the scale here. Same thing. That's the beautiful thing about Revit. If you change it in one view, it's going to change it in all of them. So go back to your sheet, Go down here, A101 unnamed. Double click that. Oh no, we ran out of space because I want to place a section cut. So what are we going to do? We're going to go to View, Sheet, click OK, and there you go. Now you have A102 unnamed. It's pretty easy stuff. You can always go back and change the title of the sheet. So now let's go and add a section. Same thing. Click and drag, and there's your section cut. It's pretty easy stuff. To print, just go to Control P on your keyboard, or Revit logo, print, and then you can basically set no pun intended here, you can basically set a set of drawings that you'd like to print. So you could either current window, selected views and sheets, and then hit select right here. And then since we created sheet A101 and A102, just select those. You can save it as a set. Say, these are submittals. Save it as submittals. Hit OK. Hit OK. I always print to PDF. It's a lot easier for me. Just go to Cute PDF Writer. That's the one I have. You can download them off or download them online. And then hit OK. And depending what printer you choose to print to, or what PDF writer you choose to use, the next step will be dependent on that. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, just let me know in the area below, and I can answer them to the best of my abilities. Thank you, guys.